Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed a Figma prototype on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and then here you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of the sites that you have created on Wix. So right here, right now we're going to go to the site we want to add the prototype to. For example, I'm going to go to this one, click on select and edit site, and then wait for your dashboard to load. And then this is how it will look like. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. And then in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you will be directed to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for your Wix site. So once you're here in the editor, right here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site, such as the tool to add elements. Here you can add sections. Here you're going to find pages and menus, site design. You can add apps, my business, media, CMS, and lastly, marketing and SEO. So right now we're going to click on add elements. And then here, as you can see guys, you can either add text, images, button, strip, decorative box, and so on. So right now we're going to go directly to embedded code. And then here you're going to find popular embeds, click on it. And then here you're going to find custom elements. You can embed HTML, embed a site, and lastly, custom element. So right now we're going to click on embed a site, click on add to site. And then once you do that, you're going to find this window right here. So they're going to ask you, what do you want to add? You can either choose website address or a code. Right here, they're going to ask you, what's the website address? So just go ahead and paste the website address right here. And then they're going to ask you what's in the embed. You can here briefly type what's in the embed. And then once you finish, you can click on apply, and then all of your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.